there is someone connected to your destiny who is silently fighting battles they never talk about. While the world sees their smile, heaven sees their pain. Chosen one, this message is not an accident. God is revealing something important to you today, because your soulmate is in huge trouble spiritually, emotionally, and mentally. The enemy has been trying to delay this divine connection, creating confusion, fear, and isolation around the person God has prepared for you. Your soulmate is carrying a weight that nobody around them truly understands. Every day they wake up trying to appear strong, trying to convince the world that everything is fine, but deep inside they are exhausted from fighting battles in silence. Chosen one, this is why you have been feeling unusual emotions lately. This is why there have been moments when you suddenly felt heavy in your spirit without explanation. Your soul is connected to someone who is going through one of the hardest seasons of their life, just allowing you to sense it because your prayers are powerful. The enemy has been attacking their mind with fear, confusion, and hopelessness. There are moments when your soulmate feels completely alone, even when surrounded by people. They smile in front of others, but behind closed doors they are overwhelmed by anxiety and emotional pain. They have cried silently at night, asking God why everything feels so difficult. They have questioned their worth, questioned their future, and even questioned whether real love still exists for them. But heaven has not abandoned them. God sees every tear they have hidden from the world. What makes this battle even harder is that many people around them do not understand what they are going through. Some judged them. Some walked away when they needed support the most. Others betrayed their trust and left deep emotional wounds. Because of this, your soulmate has built walls around their heart. They became careful about trusting people because disappointment changed them. The pain they experienced made them quieter, more distant, and emotionally guarded. But God says those walls will not remain forever. Healing is already beginning in places nobody can see yet. Chosen one, the enemy knows there is something powerful about this connection. That is why so many distractions, delays, and emotional storms have appeared. The spiritual attacks were designed to weaken both of you before the right time arrived. Your soulmate has been fighting invisible battles that drained their energy and stole their peace. Sometimes they feel stuck, like no matter how hard they try, life keeps pushing them backwards. But what they cannot see is that God is still directing their steps even in the middle of the storm. There were moments when your soulmate almost gave up completely. Moments when they felt forgotten and emotionally broken. Yet every single time, God kept them alive for a reason. The darkness could not destroy them because their destiny still protected. Your connection is not ordinary. It was written by God before either of you even understood what was happening. Right now, heaven is working behind the scenes to restore their strength little by little. God is removing toxic influences, breaking spiritual chains, and preparing their heart for healing. The pain they carry today will not define their future forever. One day they will look back and realize that even during the darkest season, God never stopped fighting for them. One day they will look back and realize that even during the darkest season, God never stopped fighting for them. And now, chosen one, God is beginning to expose the hidden attacks that were secretly working against this divine connection. For a long time, things may have felt confusing to you. You may have wondered why this relationship experienced so many delays, misunderstandings, emotional distance, or sudden obstacles that made no sense. But the truth is, not every battle is physical. Some battles are spiritual, and the enemy often attacks what carries a powerful future. Your soulmate has been surrounded by distractions designed to pull them away from their purpose. Certain people entered their life with hidden intentions, pretending to care while secretly bringing negativity, manipulation, and emotional exhaustion. The enemy used toxic connections to keep your soulmate confused and spiritually drained. Every time they tried to move forward, something unexpected pulled them backward again. They trusted the wrong people, listened to wrong voices, and sometimes ignored the warning signs God was showing them because their heart simply wanted peace. There were also spiritual attacks happening in ways they could not understand. Sudden fear, overthinking, emotional heaviness, and constant discouragement became part of their daily life. At times they felt trapped inside their own mind. The enemy wanted them to believe they were unworthy of love, unworthy of happiness, unworthy of the future God promised them. The goal was to break their confidence before destiny could fully unfold. But what the enemy planned for destruction, God is turning into preparation. Chosen one, God is now pulling hidden things into the light. Masks are beginning to fall. False people are being revealed. Situations that once looked stable are suddenly collapsing because God is removing everything that cannot go where He is taking your soulmate next. Even though it may look painful right now, this separation from toxic influences is necessary for healing and restoration. Sometimes God allows uncomfortable endings because He knows they are protecting a greater future. You may also notice strange shifts happening around you. Certain people may suddenly disappear from your life. Old patterns are breaking. Your spiritual awareness is increasing. This is not random. God is aligning things behind the scenes. Heaven is clearing pathways that were blocked for a long time. Delays were never proof that the promise was cancelled. They were proof that spiritual warfare was real. The enemy tried to create permanent damage through fear, heartbreak, and confusion. But God's power is greater than every attack. Your soulmate may still be struggling emotionally, but deep inside, something is starting to change. Their spirit is waking up again. They are beginning to see truths they ignored before. They are recognizing who truly cared for them and who only brought pain into their life. Slowly, God is rebuilding their discernment and restoring their inner strength. This season is exposing everything that was hidden. The lies are being uncovered. The manipulation is losing its power. The emotional chains are beginning to break. And while your soulmate may not fully understand it yet, Heaven is preparing them for freedom, clarity, and the kind of love that comes directly from God's plan. And while your soulmate may not fully understand it yet, Heaven is preparing them for freedom, clarity, and the kind of love that comes directly from God's plan. What feels like separation right now is not the end of the story. The silence, the distance, and the unanswered questions are only a temporary season. Chosen one, God wants you to understand that delay does not mean denial. Just because you cannot see movement does not mean Heaven is inactive. There are things happening behind the scenes that neither of you can fully understand yet. For a long time, you may have felt confused about why this connection keeps slipping away whenever it seems close. One moment there are signs, emotions, dreams, and spiritual confirmations, and the next moment everything becomes silent again. This emotional back and forth has tested your faith deeply. There were nights when you questioned whether you should keep believing at all. But God says the connection has not been forgotten. The timing is simply still being prepared. Your soulmate is in a season of inner transformation. Before God brings two people together, He often works on them separately first. Right now, your soulmate is learning painful lessons that will eventually shape them into the person they are meant to become. They are being forced to confront wounds they tried to ignore for years. They are discovering who truly belongs in their life and who was only sent to distract them. Although the process feels lonely, it is creating wisdom, maturity, and spiritual growth inside them. Chosen one, there are time moments when your soulmate thinks about you more than you realize. Even in separation, your presence remains heavy in their heart and spirit. Certain songs, memories, dreams, or random moments remind them of a connection they cannot fully explain. They may try to suppress these feelings because fear still exists inside them, but deep down they know something about this bond is different. God continues to place reminders in their path because Heaven does not want them to forget what was destined. The enemy wanted the silence to convince you that everything was over. That was the purpose of the delay, to create discouragement, impatience, and emotional exhaustion. The enemy hoped one or both of you would completely walk away before the breakthrough arrived. But God says this separation is not permanent. It is preparation. Sometimes distance is necessary for healing. Sometimes silence is necessary for spiritual growth. And sometimes God allows isolation because He is protecting the connection from forces that would have destroyed it too early. Right now, your soulmate may still appear distant or emotionally unavailable, but their heart is slowly changing. The walls they built from past pain are beginning to crack. The fear that controlled them is losing power little by little. God is softening the areas that became hardened through disappointment and betrayal. Even though you cannot see it with your eyes, restoration is already beginning in the spiritual realm. This season, not last forever. The waiting, confusion, and emotional heaviness are temporary chapters, not the final ending. God is teaching both of you patience, faith, and spiritual strength during this process. When the right moment comes, the clarity you have been praying for will finally arrive. The silence will break. Truth will replace confusion. And what once seemed impossible will suddenly begin to unfold in ways only God could arrange. And what once seemed impossible will suddenly begin to unfold in ways only God could arrange. But before that breakthrough fully arrives, there is something heaven is calling you to do right now, chosen one. God is asking you not to give up in this season of waiting because prayer and faith are breaking chains you cannot even see. Every prayer you whisper in silence is creating movement in the spiritual realm. Even when nothing appears to be changing physically, heaven is still working behind the scenes. Your soulmate is fighting battles that human strength alone cannot overcome. Some wounds are too deep for ordinary words to heal. Some fears became rooted through years of pain, rejection, and emotional disappointment. That is why God is calling you into deeper spiritual alignment instead of frustration. The enemy wants you to react emotionally, lose hope, and walk away from faith completely. But God says your prayers are more powerful than you realize. There were moments when your soulmate almost drowned in hopelessness. Moments when negative thoughts filled their mind so heavily that they could barely see a future ahead. They became emotionally tired from carrying invisible burdens every single day. But during those dark moments, heaven never stopped covering them. Even when they felt weak, God's protection remained around their life. The reason they survived every painful season is because prayers were still reaching heaven on their behalf, even when they did not know it. Chosen one, prayer is not just words. Prayer is spiritual warfare. Every time you pray with faith, chains begin to weaken. Fear begins to lose authority. Confusion begins to break apart. The enemy wants you to think your prayers are useless because he cannot stop what God is about to do if you remain spiritually strong. That is why discouragement keeps trying to enter your mind. The attacks against your peace were designed to distract you from your spiritual assignment. God is also teaching you to trust Him instead of depending only on visible signs. Faith grows strongest when everything around you looks uncertain. Anyone can believe when the outcome is already visible, but real spiritual strength is built during seasons where you must trust God without understanding every detail. Right now, heaven is asking you to stay faithful even while the answers are still forming behind the scenes. As you continue praying, spiritual chains around your soulmate are beginning to crack. Toxic influences are losing power over them. Emotional wounds are slowly being healed. Their mind is becoming clearer little by little. Even if progress feels slow, restoration is already happening. God is removing darkness layer by layer because complete healing takes time. The person you are praying for today will not remain trapped forever. There is also healing happening inside you during this process. God is strengthening your discernment, your patience, and your spiritual maturity. He is teaching you how to protect your peace instead of to control your emotions. The waiting season is not punishment. It is preparation for something greater than what you currently understand. The enemy tried to build walls between you and your soulmate through pain, silence, and confusion, but God is tearing those walls down piece by piece. Every prayer filled with faith is pushing back darkness. Every moment you choose trust over fear weakens the attacks surrounding this connection. Heaven has not forgotten either of you. God is writing this story. And the chains that once looked impossible to break are already beginning to fall. God is still writing this story, and the chains that once looked impossible to break are already beginning to fall. Chosen one, this is why you must not lose hope now, because the breakthrough and reunion you have been praying for are closer than you think. Even though the journey has been painful, confusing, and emotionally exhausting, God has been using every season for a greater purpose. Nothing you experienced was wasted. Every delay, every tear, every lonely night was shaping both of you for the moment heaven has already prepared. Right now, things may still look uncertain on the surface. Your soulmate may still seem distant, distracted, or trapped in situations beyond their control. But spiritually, major shifts are already taking place. God is moving pieces into alignment quietly and carefully. Situations that once blocked progress are beginning to collapse. Certain people are being removed from your soulmate's life because they can no longer interfere with God's plan. What looked permanent was only temporary, and what seemed impossible is becoming possible through divine timing. Your soulmate is also starting to awaken emotionally and spiritually, in ways they cannot ignore anymore. The confusion that clouded their judgment is slowly fading. They are beginning to recognize the difference between temporary attachments and genuine connection. Deep inside, they can no longer escape the feeling that something important has been missing from their life. God keeps placing reminders in their spirit because heaven is guiding them back toward clarity. There will come a moment when everything suddenly starts making sense. The silence that once hurt you will reveal its purpose. The waiting season that felt endless will show why God needed more time. Sometimes God delays a reunion because both hearts still need healing before they can fully receive the time blessing without destroying it through fear, immaturity, or unresolved pain. God was protecting the future by preparing both of you separately first. Chosen one, your reunion will not happen through force, manipulation, or desperation. It will happen naturally through God's timing. What God restores carries peace, clarity, and spiritual confirmation. There will no longer be endless confusion or emotional chaos controlling the connection. The fear that once pushed your soulmate away will lose its power because healing changes people. God is rebuilding them into someone stronger, wiser, and spiritually aware. You may already feel this shift happening in your spirit. There are moments where hope suddenly returns after long periods of heaviness. Moments where peace enters your heart without explanation. Those are signs that heaven is moving closer to fulfillment. Even though the enemy fought hard to stop this connection, darkness cannot cancel what God has already written. The breakthrough to your life will not only restore love, but also restore faith. After everything both of you endured, you will finally understand why God allowed certain seasons to happen. The pain taught lessons. The separation built strength. The silence created spiritual growth. And the battles revealed how powerful faith becomes when it survives hardship. Your story is not ending in heartbreak. God is bringing restoration, healing, and divine alignment. The person who once felt lost, broken, and emotionally trapped will rise stronger than before. And when the reunion finally happens, you will realize that heaven was working the entire time, even during the moments when it felt like nothing was changing at all.